Okay, and that's the damage. Bent from here and bent from here. Time to think about different solution. That's from inside. You can see the bend here and the bend here. We try to a little bit push it back, but it make more damage to the plastic here. You have two bags, and inside you put the big bags. Two small bags to be on the side. Stickers, without that, we are nothing. More important that's missing here, no explanation. No documents. Really surprised me with all the nice bags. I'm assuming with IQ of motorcycle guy, for sure I will find a way. Maybe that's the key? Yep, like I thought. You read the barcode. Okay, that's all the equipment that's arrived. It looks like quick release. And don't ask me what to do with these ones. The explanation that I have on the webpage is basic one. I hope to find something with YouTube that's explain how to do that. If not, we have new one that I make. Okay, first step, I need to remove my tray of plates and the two screws here, because the bag is going to sit on that, on the plate. Okay, we have two kind of screw. One is more shorter, and what I found that's most of the location that you need the short one and not the long one. You can feel it really easy when you try to screw the screw inside. Is not get in, you get only half. And for example, I put here, one is the top one get longer one, and the shorter will go from here. You can put another screw here to hold that. This way it's not moving at all. Okay, we have a quick release for this area. You can release the key, click, and this plate go out. I will show how it's area here. Again, we can put screw to all the system. This way is never going to get out. It's not going to be quick release for this area. Okay, to be sure that the plate is not going to left right, we need to add another two gates. These ones that's sitting like that and pushing left and right. This way the plate cannot move. I will show from the other side. There's these ones that's holding left right. This way they're pushing this area back and forward. This way the plate is not moving left right. Okay, put it inside the plate. No special way, it's only put it inside, and that's lock on the other side. That's the way, I hope so. And we're going to put back again. Can lock that this way, nobody can open that if that's bother us. Okay, the 35 liter go this side, and the one with the pipe will get the 30 liter. As you can see that, but inside we have two walls and one bottom to create the area. And if you fell again on the side, maximum this part going to destroy. Not big deal. Put the wall in one side, another wall on the other side, and the bottom one. In the back, we have a zipper here, and inside you can find the strip to carry the bag if you want, from the top to the bottom. And that's one of the options. I'm not going to use that, of course. This clip we can close after. Here. That's the way. Okay, this one together, we can put a locker. On the commercial you can see that you have a locker. It's not arrived with locker with this one. A lock, sorry. And you can put around that and you lock that here. I will order one. Again, I need to tie that really strong. If not, it will make noise for you. Anyway, the plate himself is not moving left right. That's what's important. No up and down. Okay, side bag. A bit not logical where to put that, because I put it there, and to hold that I use the metal here. Not sure if you can see that, it's too dark, but you have like a place to put it there. The problem is that when I put it here, and I have battery right now inside with the gas, with the fuel. To open the bag, I need to push my hand between the two parts. It's not logic, but that's what I have here right now. Okay, easy to release and easy to carry. Okay, after a few hours, the bag sitting correct way. Hey buddy, how are you? And the other side, again 35 liter and 30 liter on the other side. Okay, that's the leftover. I'm not sure what to do with that. If you have any idea, you can share with me. Thank you.